Hello guys, I am Bhavna and welcome to Bhavna's Creation YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna give a tutorial on how to make resin Rakhis. Since Rakhi is gonna come, I thought this is the best time to show a tutorial to you guys on how to make. First, I'm gonna start off with what all the materials or things you will need. First is resin. I use epoch resin. You can use any brand you want. Next is small cups. I would say preferably use small cups. You can use small silicone cups or paper cups as well. Next is the most important, the molds. So you can get this in Amazon or many mold resin craft stores you can buy from. I bought this from an online store. I have their WhatsApp number, so you can text them. I'll put their numbers in the description box. You can check them. So I have two molds like that. The one is this one. You'll see different type like pair it has. The next I got like individual pieces. I'll just show you. It's here. I usually keep this in like zip bag like this. Here it is. From last year I started making resin Rakhi. So the same mold I used last year, I'm gonna use it this time as well. Next I have the spatula to mix. I also keep a cloth with me, so I use one spatula for almost everything. So I kind of wipe in this, and I also have a toothpick. I don't know why. To take the pigments out, I use a toothpick. So you can use any pigment. For this, I'm gonna use like a metallic or shiny pearl pigment type. I think everything I have covered. Yes, I also have pearls. I have a smaller size. You can go for one size bigger, and I have this in silver and gold. So I'll show you how it looks. It's like this. So you know, while tying the Rakhi, the thread, you can use this. And obviously I have the Rakhi thread. I have this, the zari one. I have super shiny. Yeah, super shiny. I have in the shade orange. You can go for the non-shiny one as well. The one you get this, like this is plain yellow. Today's video I'm going to show you one or two styles for Rakhi. You can try that. And in the end of the video, I'll also show you designs that you can take as inspiration that I made from last year. Last year I made some amazing Rakhi designs, so you can use those as inspiration for your designs, but you have to wait till the end of the video to watch them. I also have metallic stickers from last year. I still have it, so you can also get it done. There are a lot of Instagram pages that do. You can make lighter color resin Rakhi and print black stickers, so it will be seen easily. Or you can go for darker resin color Rakhi, and then you can use the white stickers. Just make sure go and ask for transparent stickers in your nearest print shop. So now let's start with the tutorial. I have my measuring thing. I'm gonna put the cup and bring it to 0. Next, I'm gonna take my resin, take the part A of it and pour to the grams I need. Then again bringing it to 0 by clicking, and I'm gonna take my part B resin and then pouring it to whatever grams I need. Next, what you have to do is mix it nicely, slowly. This video is a little fast forward, so it's looking like I'm mixing fast, distributing in different cups according to the level or the amount of resin I want. Here first I'm using two pigments, that is the champagne gold and white pigment. I want to try the combinations of these two. I'm gonna use the toothpick to put the pigments and mixing it nicely, both the pigments. So this is a trial. I am putting the white one first nicely. Maybe I want half white, half champagne gold color. Now I'm gonna take the champagne gold color and then I'm gonna put. So you can do whatever, however you want. I want to see how these two colors look, I'm going to take a toothpick just to mix it or give some design. Usually you can wait for some time from how the resin gets a little thick, and then do little swirls here and there, so you'll get a few patterns. I'm going to add more of the resins because I just feel I need to add more. For this Rakhi, what I'm going to do is taking two evil eye beads and just going to place according to the placement I want. Maybe one I can use for brother Rakhi and another as the Bhabhi Rakhi. After I'm happy with the placement, here how it looks. The remaining I'm going to pour it in another mold here. I'm using this spatula just around the corner so that the resin goes there as well and we don't have any bubbles later on. I have this flower kind of thing, so I'm gonna put it on the resin, or maybe use the toothpick to make arrangements of or the placement of these flowers nicely. It's just a random idea that I got while making this Rakhi. You can use this for sister Rakhi because this kind of look girly. Next I'm going to use the orange pigment. This is also pearl pigment, kind of has a shiny look. I'm going to pour this fully on creating this Rakhi. So here again I'm using the spatula to distribute the or level the resin nicely around the corners as well. Now moving on to the next design, I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the square, I'm gonna put blue, then little bit of transparent, then blue. Let's see how it comes. Maybe with the toothpick I'm gonna just mix here and there to see how that looks. A red and I think a transparent one, and maybe in the middle a little bit of the red again. I'm thinking, I really don't know. Sometimes you really can't, expect how it will come. With the toothpick, I'm just making, a little kind of a design thing. Let's see how they turn out. The next what I'm gonna do is half red and half transparent again. Now, I'm taking these metallic stickers and pasting them. After putting, you're gonna pour resin on that so that the sticker, it's placed nicely, won't come out, and you have that extra glossy look. This is how the Rakhis look after demolding it. You can put on the thread and your resin Rakhi is done. For more inspiration, I am adding few Rakhi I made so that you can take inspiration from them and make your own. Subscribe and follow for more. Thank you. Bye bye.